Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send crypto from your crypto.com to your Tangem wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now we are on the main homepage of crypto.com. And so from here, all we have to do is click on trade in the middle. And then from here, you can select to buy or sell your crypto. Now from here, once you are done with managing your cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is click on the top left section where you can see the three lines. And then from here, you're going to go and click on your crypto wallet as the first option in the trade box. Once you do so, you're going to see all these options. And so from here, you're going to click on the transfer button on the right side. Once you do so, it's going to give you two options, either deposit or withdraw. Since you are sending from crypto.com to another one, so you're going to click on withdraw. Now from here, it's going to give you multiple options, crypto.com users or external wallet. Since Tangem Wallet is outside the Crypto.com franchise, we're going to click on External Wallet. Now from here, as you can see, we have other wallets that have been saved, but to select for Tangem Wallet, click on the plus sign on the top right, and then from here, you're going to click on the wallet address. Now, once it loads, you're going to go and select for whatever currency you would like. So for this example, we can select just Solana. And now we're waiting for the details. To get the details, exit the application. And in Tangem Wallet, once you have the tool, then you're going to scan your own Tangem. And so once you have the Meta wallet ordered, it will show you directly the address that you will have for whatever currency. And as you can see, Solana is one of them. Once you do so, you're going to go back to the application. And then from here, you're going to simply paste the address that is there in the Tangem wallet that is provided to you. And so if you own the account, then you can simply click on I am the owner of this wallet address and then select the wallet type, which can be from multiple accesses, or you can simply click on non-custodial wallet, click on done, and then from here write whatever name is for your wallet. So just say your own name. And then once all is done, you click on continue and select the amount that you would like to send. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.